Ningbo MH Thread Factory has 120,000 square meter plant area and 820 workers, equipped with high-standard machines and strict manufacturing management system. Could produce sewing thread 2,500 tons per month with advanced sewage treatment center and water recycling system. MH commits to act in energy saving, environmental protection, and green production, and has certificates of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, ISO 18001-2007, and OEKO-TEX 100, so MH can supply customers with superior quality threads and high reliability service. Ningbo MH Thread Factory produces from yard spinning, dyeing, winding to packing. MH has various kinds of threads: spun and corespun polyester sewing thread, waterproof sewing thread, anti-UV sewing thread, 100% recycle eco-polyester sewing thread, bonded nylon thread, and waxed polyester thread, available in different sizes and specifications to meet customers' need, being widely used by global manufacturers of clothes, bedding, carpet, home fashion, industry, and packaging. Every year, MH invests 5% of income in research, also in machines and equipment. Now MH has built a test center with complete set of testing equipment, can test raw yarn and finished threads, including evenness, hairiness, strength, color fastness, and sewing performance. MH Color Sample Center has automatic color control system, so to ensure the accurate color matching customers need. MH also has advanced producing line with strict product standard, ensuring MH thread with stable high standard quality. MH Sewing Thread Color Card has 800 colors. Small quantity order is acceptable. Just tell us your application and your need. We can provide you with the proper thread and expert advice. Welcome to choose MH Thread. You could find MH Thread has advantage in less breakages in high-speed sewing, consistent stitch formation, no skipped stitches, evenness to prevent changes in tension during sewing, a high level of abrasion resistance, sufficient surface smoothness to pass easily through the machine guides.